Look at this plate of goodness. Juicy and colorful.
Hi all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Patricia and I vlog about college lifestyle cooking culture from Normal, Illinois. Today I'm bringing to you soybean kebab recipe. I know there are tons of tofu recipes on YouTube, but many of them do not show how it's transformed into the kebab. So I'm going to do that for you. And if you find this video interesting, please kindly share with others. And also don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. There's a story behind this recipe which I'll share as I go along in the video. I hope you enjoy it and you try it. Thank you.
I will introduce the ingredients as and when we go along. It will also be in the description box. Right now I have 6 cups of soybean which I would soak in water for 12 hours. You can soak it overnight. That's the best method. Time to rinse it off and then blend. You pour enough water around it so that it will be able to move, and you repeat the process. So here is the story. My friend Grace asked me if I knew the recipe for soybean kebab, and I was like, I'm sure we can find on YouTube, but we didn't find any, and I asked on a Facebook page, and this is the outcome of it. After blending, you need to sieve it. To be able to do that, you need enough water and a cheesecloth or any cloth that you have, and you sieve it. So you gather the sides together and then you squeeze the water out. Then you repeat the process till you've got all the milk from the soybean. The next is to have your coagulants. I'm using Epsom salts, but in place of that, people use lime. So this is the texture that you wanted, almost like almond milk. And when you see bubbles coming, you put the Epsom salt inside. Almost immediately, you see the change happening as it starts to coagulate. You know it's done when it's all together and then the water runs clear. Now, to achieve your compacted tofu, you need a tofu press or tofu maker. And if you don't have, you can substitute with a cheesecloth. You now gather the cheesecloth into your hands and then twist it. We would be putting weights on them to drain overnight. So next day, and I removed the weights from it, and it would have drained to the consistency that we want, so we can cut them into pieces. The tofu press has drained the water, and for the one in the cheesecloth, you can see how firm it is. So you remove them onto a working surface, and you can see that with the tofu maker it's easier to get the squares or rectangular shapes, but then with the cheesecloth it's a little difficult. I lost the footage on how I cut up the cheesecloths, but basically I did horizontal cross, cutting it into 2, and then I cut the 2 into vertical bits. Then I cut those vertical bits into pieces. I did the marinade of pepper, garlic and ginger, and added remy spice. Many people add onga stew because it has the reddish color. Then you marinate for 30 minutes so that it soaks in the juices. You then pour it in stew and allow it to stew for a while. Then you turn off the fire and leave it to marinate for another 30 minutes because we want the flavors to infuse into the kebab. The next step is to fry it midway, so we do not want too hard or too soft, just like so. And repeat the process until all is fried. So the next step is to arrange the chunks on the sticks. I've already soaked my sticks in water so that it doesn't burn when in the oven. I've already poured some of the suya spice in a bowl and added oil to make it coat the chunks better. So I arrange them on a stick and then drop it in the sprinkled suya spice so that I can get that distinctive suya spice flavor on it. It's all put together and we preheat our oven to 350 and put it inside for 10 minutes and voila, it's ready. Here's the final result of my labor. So beautiful. It's all worth it.
Hi guys, so thank you for staying tuned to this end. Finally it's done and we are going to taste it. I have my roommates here with me. You've met Annie on the channel and Persis, and we have a fourth roommate but she's not here at the moment, so we are going to taste it and enjoy it. So let's begin.
So colorful.
It does.
Yeah,
it does.
Okay. So here we go. Moments of truth.
It's so nice.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah.
This
And
is
I like
good.
the
Wow.
spices around it.
And it's spicy too.
Very spicy.
Wow.
Yeah. And the color is so beautiful. to
So
behold.
beautiful. So beautiful.
We call the duck now.
So guys, tell me your opinion about it. Would you try it or you think it's too much work to bother yourself with? If you enjoyed this video, like it and also subscribe. It's down there.
Down below.
Yeah, and also hit the notification button so that whenever I upload any video, you would be notified. Thank you for watching. Till I come your way again with another video.
Bye.
Bye.